Cassie Ventura once danced on stage beside Sean P. Diddy Combs. Now, she faces him in court, accusing the music mogul of orchestrating years of abuse hidden behind wealth, fame, and so-called freak-offs. What began as a glamorous love story in the limelight spiraled into a shocking legal battle filled with dark secrets, missing evidence, and a defense that blamed the victim. This isn't just celebrity gossip. This is the unraveling of an empire. Stay tuned, because in this case, the truth is stranger and darker than fiction. Title: P. Diddy on trial, defense hammers Cassie for asking for freak-offs. In the glittering world of hip-hop and celebrity excess, few names shine brighter or fall harder than Sean P. Diddy Combs. Mogul, artist, businessman, a man known for lavish parties, industry power moves, and a diamond-studded image. But behind the velvet ropes and multi-million-dollar deals, a darker truth was waiting to be revealed. This is the story of how fame turned into scandal, and how one woman's accusations shattered the illusion of untouchable celebrity. It all began with whispers. Silent rumors passed around by insiders, blog writers, and ex-bodyguards. Diddy's inner circle was impenetrable, but slowly the cracks started showing. Then, in late 2024, everything exploded when Cassie Ventura, better known as Cassie, filed a chilling civil lawsuit. She claimed years of abuse, manipulation, and coercion, pointing a trembling finger at the man she once loved and worked with. The public was stunned, not because of the accusation, but because of the details. Cassie painted a world of twisted power games, where drugs, surveillance, and control replaced music and love. She accused Diddy of orchestrating what she called freak-offs, bizarre and degrading sexual setups involving multiple people, sometimes strangers, often under the influence. The case rattled the industry, but no one could predict what came next. Authorities took notice. A federal investigation was launched. Raids were conducted. Diddy's homes were searched by agents in tactical gear. Alleged victims came forward, then suddenly went silent. The internet boiled with speculation. Was this a takedown, or was the empire finally collapsing under its own secrets? Then came the trial. P. Diddy, now a defendant in front of a national audience, appeared calm and collected. His lawyers, however, came prepared for war, and their strategy shocked everyone. The defense didn't deny the freak-offs. They reframed them. They argued that Cassie had not only consented, but initiated them. They presented old text messages, photos, and videos. They claimed she wasn't a victim, but a willing participant. Even an instigator? They said she asked for it, literally. And that single phrase ignited a firestorm. Social media was divided. Some accused the defense of shaming the victim. Others demanded answers. How could a woman claim abuse while staying in the relationship for so long? The courtroom became a battlefield of narratives. Consent, power, control, blurred lines that left jurors confused and the public enraged. Then, a twist. A former security team member, granted immunity, testified under oath. He revealed surveillance systems throughout Diddy's properties. Hidden cameras, cloud storage, encrypted drives. But he said something else. Something chilling. Some footage was missing. Wiped clean. On cross-examination, it was revealed that multiple drives had been destroyed just days before the first lawsuit. The implication was clear. Someone was erasing evidence. That moment shifted the tide of the trial. Prosecutors argued this was no ordinary celebrity scandal. It was a calculated cover-up. As the trial drew to a close, more details leaked. A secret payoff to a former dancer. A private investigator hired to follow Cassie for months. The courtroom became a stage for a twisted reality that blurred the line between truth and performance. The jury deliberated for 8 days. Then came the verdict. On counts of assault and coercion, guilty. On federal charges tied to obstruction of justice, guilty. Diddy's empire didn't collapse in one night, but the foundation was cracked beyond repair. In the end, this wasn't just a story of celebrity gone wrong. It was a story about power, how it seduces, controls, and destroys. And about truth, how it hides in plain sight, waiting for someone brave enough to speak it. This is P. Diddy on trial. And this time, the lights weren't for a show. They were for justice.